Hey guys, it's Kristen. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for tuning into another video. Happy Sunday, y'all. Since it is Sunday, it kick off the new week of deals. So make sure you're checking your sales ads, between different stores, including the coupons, so your digital coupons, your printable coupons from coupons.com, as well as inserts. We did get a new batch, I guess you could say, today. Of course, I am outside of Walgreens to kick off this week of deals. But before we go inside, guys, I just want to say thank you. We did reach a couple of milestones on different platforms. So I just want to say it. So here on YouTube, we reached 22,000 subscribers, I think, yesterday. So that's really exciting. And we also reached 25,000 on TikTok, as well as 23,000 on Instagram. We reached all of those milestones yesterday, so I'm very, very thankful. I love y'all. And if you're not following me on any one of those platforms, definitely go do so. It's the same across all platforms, so it is at Christian McSave. So go over there. I appreciate the love. I do. Also, I had a couple questions, a lot of questions recently about how just how can you show appreciation. Doing that, liking my post, showing engagement, giving a thumbs up. You can also buy me a coffee. The link will be in the description box below. I'm just really excited, y'all, just seeing the growth and seeing y'all support. I love y'all. I really, really do. So like I said, let's get back on track. I just had to say that, but let's get back on track. So I am outside of Walgreens, and I'm going to be doing some deals here. Now, I did receive some boosters, so check your boosters, check your accounts and see if you receive boosters. They do vary by accounts, the amount, as well as if you get one. On one of my accounts, I received a spend 20, get 5. And then on another account, I think I got a spend 60, get 15. Not sure if I'm going to do that. I guess only time would tell. But yeah, let me know if you got a booster, as well as let me know if you're going to be doing any Walgreens shopping. That's all I have as far as an intro. Let's head inside, guys, and see what we can pick up this week. All right, you guys, so we are in the store, and like I previously mentioned, I am working with a spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. Now, me personally, I like using Walgreens cash on a spend deal, and yes, you can. I think a lot of times people get confused because when you're using Walgreens cash, that's not money. That's not quote unquote real money, so it doesn't account for it. So that is not going to count towards your spend amount. So what you do is just simply add to your total. I'm going to use $10, so I'm going to get my total to $30. I hope that makes sense. So we're going to go with the Dove deal first, on sale for $7, and when you buy 2, you will get back a $4 rush reward. We have a nice high value 7 off of 2 digital. So picking up 2 products, I'm showing you different ones you can choose from. That's going to total out to $14. After that 7 off of 2 digital, it leaves you to pay $7, getting back a $4 rush reward. Makes the final cost $3 for both, or just $1.50 each. Next, I'm going to pick up some Persil laundry detergent. So this week they are on sale for $5.49. And when you buy 2, you will get back $1 in Walgreens cash. So I'm going to pick up 2 of them. That's going to total out to $10.98. I'm going to throw in 2 $2 paper coupons, which is going to drop me down to $6.98, getting back $1 in Walgreens cash. And then I'm going to submit to Ibotta, getting back 50 cents from each one, making the final cost $4.98 for both. This week, the Snuggle and All products are on sale for $3.49. That includes the fabric softener. We have the dryer sheets right here. It also, like I said, the All. So we have the pods, I guess the packs you can call it, or the liquid detergent. $3.49, and then we do have a $1.50 digital, which will make them $1.99. That's already a good deal. Oh, and it does include the scent beads. What I'm going to do is throw in a $2 coupon that we got in today's insert, making these scent beads just $1.49. And then to finish off this first transaction, I'm going to pick up a Palmolive dish liquid on sale for $2.49 this week, and we received a $1 digital, dropping it down to just $1.49. Here is everything I'm doing for my first transaction using that spend 20 booster. So before coupons, my total comes out to $30.96, which is perfect because I am $10 over that spend amount. So with all of the coupons that I mentioned, it's going to drop me down to $16.96, getting back a total of $6 in Walgreens cash, a $4 rush reward, as well as $1 from Ibotta, making a final cost $5.96. But remember, guys, since we are $10 above the spend amount, I'm going to use $10. So I'm not paying $16.96. Instead, I'm going to pay the $6.96 plus tax, still getting back all of my rewards. If you're not signed up with Ibotta, check the description box, guys. I have a sign-on link. There's a sign-on bonus that when you submit your first receipt, you will get an extra $10. So that's money, guys. Free money just by doing a deal you were going to do anyways. Now, of course, with the rewards, I'm not done with that. I'm going to use those rewards to get more products to help lower my out-of-pocket. So let's jump right into the second transaction. So with the rewards from that first transaction, I'm going to pick up some laundry products. So this week, the Downy and Tide Simply are on sale again, 4 for $9. So I'm going to pick up 4 of them right now. I'm just showing you different products that are included. Mix and match, it does not matter. 4 of them is going to total out to $9. I'm going to use that $4 risk reward for the Dove deal, which will drop it down to $5. And then I'm going to use $5 in Walgreens cash. So for this transaction, I'm not going to be paying anything out of pocket but the tax, which is something that I live for, guys. So let me pick up my items and put it in the cart. Now, of course, my haul isn't done. I have another account that I'm going to jump into. But before we do, I just want to show you everything I am getting off of this first account. A lot of nice little household items. Final cost for all these items is $14.96. But remember, we're not paying that out of pocket. Doing it the way that I just told you how it's going to be done, out of pocket cost is going to be $6.96. So for $7, I'm able to get all of these items, which is amazing. I love using Walgreens cash in a spend deal. A lot of people think you can't, but you can. You just have to understand exactly what you're doing. Not only can you use Walgreens cash for a spend booster, the same rules apply for a spend deal. So that's what we're going to take advantage of. It's going to be on the Nexus. Now they're on a spend booster, a spend deal. When you spend $20, you will get back $10 in Walgreens cash. So same thing, I'm going to use $20 on this transaction. So I need to get my total to $40 before coupons. So I don't know if your store is like mine, but my store is super expensive when it comes to Nexus. A better deal would be if you do this deal online, but I'm in store. So I'm going to pick up one of the ones priced at $26.99. I'm going to pick up one of them. We do have a $5 digital coupon. So I'm going to pick up probably one of the shampoo or conditioner and use that $5 digital and then add something else to my account, more items to my transaction to get to $40. That way I can use $20 in Walgreens cash. And then to get to my $40, I'm just going to do the Dove deal again because it's such an amazing deal. Remember, they are $7 each, and when you buy 2, you get back a $4 reward. So I already have my 2 products in my hand, and then after all the savings, it makes them $1.50 each. These 3 products are going to total out to $40.99. Can y'all believe it, y'all? $41 for this? Oh my goodness. Anyway, so $40.99. So I am at least $20 above the spend 20 amount. So I am good. Walgreens counts coupons for other items as long as it's in a transaction towards a spend deal that you're doing. So I have a total of $12 in coupons that essentially is going to count towards my spend 20 amount. So we have $40.99. After the coupons is going to drop it down to $28.99. And then I'm going to use $20 in Walgreens cash, leaving me to pay $8.99 plus tax out of pocket. So $28.99, getting back $10 in Walgreens cash as well as a $4 risk reward would make the final cost $14.99 for these 3 products. But out of pocket, we're spending $8.99. Then of course, I'm going to use the rewards I get back from this transaction to pick up some more items for extremely cheap. This week, the Dove hand wash is on sale for $4. I'm going to pick up 2 of them and use that $4.79 off a 2 digital coupon, making 2 of them just $3.21. Same thing for the Dove hand sanitizer on sale for $4. I'm going to pick up 2 of them. We have a $4.99 off a 2 digital, making both of them $1.50 each. Wouldn't be a Walgreens haul without some free toothpaste. So I'm going to go with the Colgate right here on sale for $2.99. And when you buy 2, you will get back a $5 risk reward. So picking up 2 of them is going to total out to $5.98. We have a $1 digital, so we'll drop it down to $4.98. Getting back a $5 risk reward makes these free. So free toothpaste, why not? Let me throw it into my cart. And then last but not least, I'm going to finish off this transaction picking up some Scott toilet paper. So the 12 count is regular price at $5. I'm going to use that $1.25 IVC, which is just a store coupon that can be found digitally as well as in the store booklets at the front of the store. And then we have a $1 digital, making the final cost just $2.75. So for all these items, it's going to total out to $26.98. And then after the coupon, the store coupon for the Scott, that will drop it down to $25.73. I'm going to throw in that $4 Rush reward that I plan on getting back for that Dove deal, as well as all of the digital coupons, and that's going to drop me down to $9.95. Now, plus tax, including tax, that will knock me over $10. So then I'm going to use $10 in Walgreens cash that I'm getting back for the Nexus, leaving me to pay just the tax out of pocket. And then I'm still going to get back that $5 Rush reward for the Colgate. So not bad at all. Now, I'm just going to go and use that Rush reward because I don't want to misplace it or wait till next week's deals. So let me do one more transaction using that $5 Rush reward. And then the last deal of the day, guys, this is the last one, I promise, is going to be on the CoverGirl. So I noticed there's still some clearance here, a lot of clearance here in my store. So I'm going to pick up 2 of these priced at $2.89, the face products. No coupon. It's going to total out to $5.78, but I'm going to use that $5 Rush reward that I get back from the Colgate. So it's going to leave me to pay the 78 cents plus tax out of pocket, but then I'm going to submit to Ibotta, getting back $2 for each one. So the deal itself, picking up one at $2.89 and getting $2 back from Ibotta, makes them 89 cents each. So I don't think it's bad in my opinion. So here is everything for the second account. Final cost for this stuff is $25.77, but of course, y'all know I'm not paying that. So out of pocket cost is just $9.77, which is more like it. Paying $10 out of my own pocket for picking up all of these items is perfect. I will be submitting to Fetch because Dove and Scott and Nexus are all participating products, so I'm going to get something for that. And then of course the Ibotta rebate, as well as I think I do have a 10-cent any rebate for toothpaste. I might, but we'll see. All of this is just more money coming back in my pockets for picking up stuff I wanted to pick up anyways. So now I'm going to do a final recap of everything for today's haul before I actually head up to the front and check out. Alright, you guys, so here is the final recap of today's haul at Walgreens. I picked up a lot of stuff. I'm very excited about today's haul with using rewards. You guys know I like to use rewards to help lower my out of pocket. I mean, if somebody's going to pay for it, it's going to be Walgreens, not me. So yeah, I'm going to put everything back in my car, head up to the front and check out. And of course, once I make it back to the car, I will debrief my receipts. If you haven't already subscribed, definitely subscribe and hit that thumbs up, as well as if you have any questions, drop them things down below. I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so we're in the car and it's time to go over these receipts. Overall, I'm really happy about today's haul. Let's just talk about it. So the first transaction, I had the spin booster for spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. And I wanted to use $10 in Walgreens cash. So to do so, I needed to get my subtotal to at least $30 before coupons, but after any store discounts. So I picked up the 2 Perseals, the Palmolive, the Snuggle, and the 2 Doves. Everything rang up the way it was supposed to. Now I did have a hiccup with one of my $2 coupons for Perseal scanning, and now that I'm looking at the receipt, I see why. So you can see that it says 2 Perseal coupons, 2 $2 coupons. So what happened is that $2 Snuggle coupon actually attached to one of the Perseals. So when they scanned the other Perseal, technically I didn't have another Perseal item for that coupon to attach to. Manufacturer coupons, like manufacturer coupons, do that. So coupons from the same manufacturer. The same thing happens with P&G coupons. You will notice that sometimes they attach to things they're not supposed to attach to. So that did make, but everything else came off all my other digitals. So I did have that 7 off of 2 and that $1 for Palmolive. So that did make my subtotal $2 more at $18.96. So I used $10 in Walgreens cash, so I paid the $8.96 plus tax out of pocket. I got back my $4 Rush reward for the Dove, and then I was expecting $6 in Walgreens cash for this transaction, but you can see right here that I did earn $13. So that's $7 more. The reason being, there was a booster. I'm gonna pop it up on the screen. That was valid, I think, all month, where if I make 3 purchases at least $15 or more, on the 3rd purchase, I will receive $7 in Walgreens cash. So this is that 3rd transaction, and I did get back that $7. So that actually made this transaction free. And I submitted my receipt to Ibotta. I got back my $1. So a $1 moneymaker. If my coupons would have attached the way they were supposed to, and I had that other $2 in savings, that would have, this receipt itself would have been a $3 moneymaker. So really excited about that, guys. If you're not signed up with Ibotta, remember that if you use my referral code, you will get a $10 bonus when you submit your first receipt. So that's extra money on the table that you're leaving if you're not signed up with Ibotta. And then, of course, I did use the rewards from this transaction into another one. So then on a completely different card, essentially I did another spin deal, but this time instead of a booster, it was the spend 20 on Nexus and you get back $10 in Walgreens cash. So the same concept, I wanted to use $20 in Walgreens cash, so I needed to build my transaction up to $40. That way I could. So I picked up the 2 Dove products and then the Nexus at $26.99, which totaled me, I think, almost $31. So here's that 7 off of 2 digital and that $5 coupon. Dropped me down to $28.99. You can see right here where it says redeem this visit. I used $20, so I paid $8.99 plus tax. And then you can see where it says earn this visit. I did get back my $10 in Walgreens cash for the spin deal for Nexus. So it's the same thing regardless if it's a spin deal for a certain deal or a spin deal for a booster. The same rules apply. And then I did get back my $4 registry reward for the Dove. And then all these receipts I did submit to Fetch, getting back some more points. So I'm just going to be popping those up throughout the transactions. That way you can see what I did get back from each receipt. So not bad at all. And then I did use the rewards from this transaction into another one. So then with those rewards, I picked up some Dove hand sanitizer, the Dove hand soap, all at $4 each, as well as the Colgate, $2.99 each, and the Scott. So you can see that store IVC coupon right there, the $1.25 coming off. So here are all my coupons. I used that $4 registry reward from the Dove since it was a stored coupon. And then those are all my digitals. So the $4.79 for the Dove, the $1 for the Scott, the $1 for the Colgate, and then the $4.99 for the Dove. It brought my subtotal down to $9.95, including tax. That did knock me above $10. So I used $10 in Walgreens cash, leaving me to pay just the remainder part of the tax. And then I did get back a $5 registry reward for the Colgate. Was it anything else? No, that's it. That I did use for my last and final transaction, picking up some Colgate, some CoverGirl. And then the last transaction, I used that registry reward to pick up some CoverGirl. So originally I was going to pick up just 2 of them at $2.89 and use that $5 registry reward. But apparently CoverGirl this week is on sale, buy one, get one 50% off. So even if something is on clearance, if there's a promotion for it, Walgreens does honor the promotion that's for it. So with just 2 of them at buy one, get one 50% off, that knocked me under $5, so I couldn't use that $5 registry reward. So I just added another one. So I picked up 3 of them that totaled out to $7.22. Used that $5 registry reward, which dropped me down to $2.22. Then I used $2 in Walgreens cash, and then I submitted to Ibotta, and I got back a total of $6 for picking up 3 CoverGirls at $2. So not bad at all, in my opinion. And there you have it. That is my Walgreens haul for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed. Now let's talk about final numbers as well as my out-of-pocket expenses. So final cost for everything that I picked up today was $31.73. That doesn't include any of the Fetch points that I got back, which I probably got about, let's go with maybe $1.50 that I got back from Fetch. So you can say $30. So we'll go with $30 final cost for everything that I picked up, which is amazing. But out of pocket, I only paid $18.19, which is even better, y'all. We picked up so much stuff. We got so much Dove. We got almost a $30 bottle of Nexus and so much more with toilet paper. Well, you guys were here. I don't have to say everything. You guys were here with me. So you know everything that I picked up. So $31 for everything I picked up is amazing. $18 out of pocket for everything that I picked up is fantastic. So hope you guys enjoyed. I love y'all. And until next time, I'll see you in the next one.